Rhys, 3-1 win for you today. Are you happy with the application of your players today?
That's a tough question to answer. I thought first half we were very good with the ball. I thought going forward we were really threatening, and some of the stuff we were linking up was brilliant. Without the ball, maybe not so good, and they put us under pressure at different periods throughout the game. Second half, I thought, it was a poor half, to be honest with you, and I thought it was very scrappy. But they caused us problems throughout the game in different ways, and I was just pleased to get the result in the end.
To come to a team like this, I expect these to be in the probably top 3 up there, thereabouts. That's their ambition. I know where they're going to be. And they had a really big scare tonight. However, it's disappointing conceding 2 sloppy goals, really, because out of that game, the chances we had second half, we should have got something out of the game.
It was a weird game because we weren't at our best, but we are finding ways to win games. So, in my eyes, that's good. It's a sign of a really good team.
Your goal, an indirect free kick, don't happen quite often. Have you scored one from that position before?
No, it could have gone anywhere, I'll be honest, but lucky enough tonight it's gone in the top corner.